Let's talk about integration. Fuzzball gives you the power and the flexibility to integrate with your existing hardware and tooling. For instance, you can choose how Fuzzball will provision computational resources for your users' workflows. The static provisioner keyword tells Fuzzball that you want it to provision resources for your users. The AWS provisioner keyword lets Fuzzball know that you should call out to AWS to request EC2 instances for your users' jobs. Need to integrate with an existing PBS or Slurm cluster? Fuzzball can use these batch scheduling systems to provision resources too. This allows you to add modern container orchestration capabilities to your existing HPC cluster while preserving your users' ability to submit Slurm and PBS jobs. The Slurm and PBS keywords tell Fuzzball to use the respective batch scheduling systems to provision resources on behalf of your users to run their computational jobs. You can even use multiple provisioners in a single setup, allowing Fuzzball to provision dedicated nodes itself, and then use AWS for cloud bursting, and use Slurm or PBS for existing HPC clusters that you want to integrate with. Policy expressions allow you to create rules determining who can use your computational resources and under what circumstances. For instance, here we have a rule specifying that only users of an AI lab are allowed to use GPU resources. We have another rule specifying under what conditions users can allocate AWS Spot instances, and a final rule saying that users who need large memory jobs should request them using the Slurm partition. Need to run Nextflow pipelines? CIQ has a plugin allowing you to execute Nextflow pipelines directly on Fuzzball the same way that you would point them to an AWS or a Slurm backend. Fuzzball also integrates seamlessly with tools like OCI image registries, object stores, as well as HPC-specific tools like MPI, GPUs, and high-speed fabrics. Fuzzball is also part of a complete infrastructure stack, starting with Rocky Linux serving up the operating system, Werewolf Pro for cluster provisioning, and Ascender Pro for automation. All of these are designed to work together with flexibility, allowing you to mix and match based on your specific needs.